Hi everyone, Ashley here for Red Apple Lipstick. In this video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look for a ladies' tea party. And to get started, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called Buttercream, and I'm going to be applying it all over the eyelids, and then I'm going to be using a tiny bit of it to highlight the brow bone as well. Next, take the eyeshadow in the shade called Violet Vintage and apply it onto the outer corners of the eyes, and then you can also blend a little bit of it into the crease as well. To finish off the eyes, you can now apply the Lash Project mascara. You can now complete this look by applying the Petal To The Metal lipstick. Your look is almost complete, but you can't go to tea without having a cute hat, so grab a cute little hat, and now you're ready to go. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and take care. Bye!